Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to see how you can hide your unwanted apps on this Tecno Spark 40 phone. So this is the screen. Now you go over and look for phone master. This is phone master here. Click on it. When you have clicked on it, you scroll, look for privacy protection. So you click on privacy protection. Under privacy protection, you see vote. You click on vote. So you can choose to either use a password or a pattern here. So here we'll be using a password. Then make password, confirm. Next step, enter the password again. Okay. So you can sign in and add link. Here we are skipping this. We're not signing in, I'm not adding any link. Just click skip on the top. Click skip again. So here this is where you are going to use to lock the app. You have the option of hiding a video, hiding apps, hiding recording. So we're going to hide the app. So you click on apps. You can see this plus sign here. You click on the plus sign. So it's loading now. So this is where we're going to add to app. So we'll be picking the apps to hide. You gradually pick the ones to hide. So we have chosen up to eight apps that was choosing to hide. So we just click confirm. So as you can see, these are the 8 apps that have been hide. We hid these 8 apps. So we're not going to check to see if these 8 apps they are still available. So if you click through, if you click through, those apps are no longer here. They're no longer here. They have now been hid from public display on the phone here. Thank you for watching. Take our time to subscribe and like our videos. To the next one. Thank you.